In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main dashboard or homepage. This is the easiest place to begin because all of the tools you need for exporting are accessible from there. If you're already signed in, you can jump right into the process. Once you're in QuickBooks, look toward the upper area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the account level options and administrative tools, including export features. If you manage a lot of company information in QuickBooks, this menu is often the central place for actions like this. After opening Settings, click on Export Data. This will take you to the Export area where QuickBooks lets you choose exactly what information you want to download. This is helpful because you don't have to export everything if you only need certain reports or lists. On the Export page, you'll be able to move between the Reports tab and the Lists tab. Take a moment here to review what's available in each section. The Reports tab is typically where you'll select financial or activity-based information, while the Lists tab usually includes records such as customers, vendors, or other organized data sets. As you go through these tabs, use the switches to turn items on or off depending on what you want to include in your export. This step is especially important because it gives you control over the final download. If you only need specific information, turning unnecessary items off can make the exported files easier to review later. If you need a broader backup or want to analyze multiple categories of data, you can leave more options turned on. Once you've selected everything you want, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin compiling your selected data. Depending on how much information you included, this may take a few moments, so it's normal if the download doesn't appear instantly. When the export is ready, it will download as a single zip file. Inside that zip file, you'll find individual Excel spreadsheets for the reports and lists you selected. After downloading, you may need to extract or unzip the file before opening the spreadsheets depending on your computer settings. And that's it. You've successfully exported data from QuickBooks Online. This is a useful process for reporting, sharing records, creating backups, or doing deeper analysis in Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.